This is a super quick demo of the Repair Studio in my Fizgig Lora Studio suite. So I'm going to go straight to Repair Studio. I'm going to load in a CCTV Lora that will attach to the distilled 4-step Klein 9B model. I have a prompt here, a CCTV image of a cat stealing a burger. Is just loading up the model as we speak. It's got a thing called Turbo Preview turned on that uses caching of the forward pass to allow quicker iteration when you adjust sliders on the Lora. So if you scroll down here, you can see master sliders for the different parts of the model. This is based on my own understanding so far. It is evolving over time, but certainly it's very good if you use these two for style and this for identity. It's pretty good as is, but it's going to continue to evolve as my understanding and the community understanding evolves. But I'm going to use the master slider and I'm going to drag. This is the original. This is with tweaked Lora on the right. I'm going to drag the style down, and you can see the style changing quite a lot, and see how quick it is there. And if you can see here the effects that I have done reflected there, and you can zero individuals, set to 1, invert the value, drag them however you might want to drag them. In fact, let me just do a couple of them here, and you can see minor changes to the image there, but see how quick they are. Without the turbo preview, that obviously is not quite as fast. But I hope you like this demo. See more in the README here.